Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? So today I'm just going to show you guys the easiest way to make shoulder bag. So shoulder bag is one of I think current fashion staple. A lot of people have been carrying different kind of shoulder bag. So this is one of the easiest one you can actually make by yourself. It's so easy. All you need is a strip of fabric. So this is the fabric I'm using. This is actually a firm fabric. It adds a little bit of stretch. So the width I measure for this was 14 and then the length 22 inch. So 14 inch by 22 inch. So that's what I use. In case you want to make yours, you can do same. So first thing, we're just going to look for the middle point of this measured out fabric. We're going to, of course, use our pen to rule it, the middle point, or just mark it out. Then knots. So what we are doing here is knotting. So if you are knotting, try as much as possible to stay in the middle. And if peradventure maybe yours did not knot at the middle, you can always adjust it till it at the middle. So you just knot it like this, and then we're going to arrange it to check if it's the same. So it's okay. We're just going to go to the next step now. Next, you place it inside out. So this is how you do it. Make sure that the inside is out and then the outside is facing each other. Now we are going to sew both sides. I'm just going to show you where you sew from. So you sew here and then the other part. So make sure that the fabric are aligned properly. So next we are going to sew the down part. So you fold your fabric like this. You just make sure the both sides are facing each other like this, and then you sew it down. I think I should restart it again. Let me show you again. So you hold it like this, and then you make sure the two places you have already sewn are facing each other, and then you sew. After sewing, you can start from the middle points on both sides if you want, just for proper alignment. So let's turn it now. So you see, it's so simple, like anybody can do it. It's a beginner friendly, and this is very slick bag. I love this bag so much. And then we're going to stop stitch the opening. It's optional. It all depends on if you want to or not, but I just want it to be a bit wider. So I'm going to stop stitch the opening like this. Just fold it in and then stop stitch it, just to give it very good finishing. And then this is it. It's ready. So there's something so unique about this bag. Like, you just place it on your shoulder and it's almost as if it's part of you, and it carries a lot too. Yeah, this is it. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe before you leave. If you have any question, just leave me a comment down below. So this is me working the bag out now. It actually carries a lot of things. From the beginning of the video, you already see that it contains a lot. You can make it bigger if you want, or smaller. Just follow the steps. All right, to my next video. Bye for now.